Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, and welcome if you guys are new. So you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a 3-in-1 where I'm going to be doing my hair, my makeup, and I'm going to be showing you guys the fragrance that I choose to wear today. So with that being said, you guys, I need to do my hair, y'all. So I actually figured I was not going to actually lay this week, but you guys, honestly, it's kind of looking a little bit like, yeah, baby girl, we need to glue this wig down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna glue this wig down, and then we're gonna do like maybe like some curls, or maybe I just might just flat iron it out, do a bob or something. I already did my brows off camera because I did not want to take too much time doing that part. So yes. Also, you guys, this video is in collaboration with a Dossier. You guys, it was kind enough to send over 2 other fragrances so I can try it out for you guys and give you guys my honest opinion about their fragrance. So with that being said, I'll tell you guys more details about that in the end of this video, towards the end of the video. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to see today's video, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love y'all. Let's get into today's video.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good, know it's all love, know it's all love. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want it. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause crying, gonna be sweet there. Telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break across me. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? you're coming down too strong.
Alright guys, so I'm just taking this eyeliner. I'm just going to touch up on my moles, you guys, because it normally blends in with my foundation. So
yeah, it is hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight.
a little bit of mascara.
Get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gonna me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you be.
The only thing that I'm going to be putting on my lips is just regular lip gloss, you guys. I got this from my local beauty supply store. My lashes came from Dollar Tree, you guys. And my foundation I used came from Walmart. And that's about it, you guys. I'm just going to put this lip gloss on and call it a day. And then I am going to put on some highlight. It's the same one highlight that I use in all my previous videos, you guys. So, yeah. So, lip gloss down. I just wish my lips wasn't so pink. Maybe I should do a nude lip, right? Anywho. So right now I'm just going to do a little bit of highlight. This is the Bella Paris Shimmer Roll. You guys already know I love this. This is gold. And you can just roll it right where you want it.
Keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
Yeah, so that's my highlight, and I'm just about to apply my lashes, and then I'll be back with the final look, and then we can get into our fragrance.
Taking all my time, left, right, can you took it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind, and I like it how I rock it from behind. And I understand you how you taking all my time, left, right, can you take it all night?
Okay guys, so like I told you before, this video is in collaboration with Dossier, you guys. And if you're not familiar with Dossier, I'm going to put you up on game and let you guys know all the deets about their company. Dossier is a perfume company who specializes in replicants of higher end perfume. It would actually cost you a fraction of what you would actually pay inside of a retail store, you guys. One thing about Dossier, you guys, it is still high quality perfume, except you're just cutting the brand name. So they have dupes from YSL, you guys, Gucci, the Tom Ford, just so many different types that you guys can try out without having to pay for the luxury name. And let me not forget to tell you guys the best part. The best part is that their fragrance start at just $29. Okay guys, so now that I told you guys all about Dossier, I'm going to show you guys the fragrance that I choose. So I had the choice of choosing two fragrances, you guys. So one is called Amber Cherry. When you first open up Dossier's box, you guys, it comes with a little note. It says iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. Period, y'all. So there we go. It also comes with a little card. It says Dossier. It says on the back, it tells you all about the perfume and the scent that you chose. So it says Amber Cherry. It says notes: cherry, almond, cinnamon. The middle notes are clove, rose, jasmine, and plum. The base notes are Peru, blossom, I think I said that right, you guys, and tonka bean, vanilla. Okay, so it's also inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Concentration is 18%, and it also says, thank you. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury inspired fragrances at its fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try, you guys. So with that being said, I'm going to test out, and this is how the fragrance comes boxed as well. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but anywho, I'm just going to take this out, you guys, and spray some on my paper, my little paper they sent me. So spray it. Y'all, at first smell, y'all, I honestly get the cherry. I smell the cherry. plums, and I smell the vanilla. Y'all, this smells so good. Okay, 10 out of 10, y'all. I give this one a 10 out of 10. So let's move on to our next fragrance, you guys. So this one is Fruity Orange. This one right here is called Fruity Orange. Same box, same concept on the inside, you guys. You get the same note, and you also get you another card, and on the back it tells you about this one. So let's go ahead and read the notes. It says top notes: grapefruit, tangerine, melon, and bergamot. And then middle note is orange, lily, green apple, and magnolia. The base note is jasmine, musk, and plum. So you guys, this perfume is inspired by the perfume called Clinique, you guys. I know this perfume all too well because my sister loved this perfume, okay? And that perfume is called Happy. Is the perfume that it's inspired by, and the concentration is 20%, and you also get the thank you note as well on the back of the card. So you guys, with that being said, I'm so excited to try this one because, like I said, I know exactly what this perfume is supposed to be giving. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and try it out. Comes just like the other one. So we're gonna pull this fragrance out, spray it on our card, and see what I'm able to smell first. Okay, I smell grapefruit. I smell the lily, and I'm getting orange. I'm getting the orange smell, you guys. And when I must say, oh my God, y'all, this smells just like it. How y'all do that, y'all? Okay, come through with it. Come through with it, Dossier. You guys know, no, I'm not joking. I'm not kidding. I'm not trying to hype them up, but y'all, this actually smells like Happy. Oh my God. Okay. So you guys, perfume of the day that I choose to put on is going to be this one, Fruity Orange, you guys. So let's go ahead and spray, okay? And I can wait to bake at home, see if he noticed my new perfume, my new fragrance, you guys. Oh God, I have to call my sister after this video. Y'all, no, seriously, if you don't know, if you know what Happy smell like, Clinique, you guys, you have to comment below. Just to know that I can let her know, girl, you can save you some coins and you can just buy from Dossier, y'all. Your girl is shook, okay? I am super excited about this. Like, y'all, this smells so good. So with that being said, I'm going to leave all of Dossier's information in my description below, so you guys can be sure to check them out. And y'all, I'm pretty sure it's something that you guys already know the fragrance, you guys already know like the smell, and that you want to get to see, to compare or whatever, y'all. But when I tell you they got this right here, y'all, they did it, okay? So be sure to check out my description so you guys can you know, use my code, you guys, to get some money off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me, you guys. I haven't did one of these in a long time, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.